there are differences because I do know the competitors. I know basically how most of them do their business. And so what separates us is, first of all, the knowledge of furniture repair. We have
Mhm.
over 30 some odd years and knowledge of furniture damages and repairs and stuff, which is very important because there are companies who start this type of thing, but they don't have, excuse me, people who manage the phone calls with the customers and with the clients. They really have to understand furniture repair.